Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you an app review, same as like before GTA, but now it's going to be you call Subway Surf. So Subway Surf is quite like extremely good game, not quite, extremely good game, because it's like Temple Run, but you run through trains and all them exclusive things you get. There's always competition around to collect palaces, and you get to buy your characters and all them. So yeah, if you haven't got this app, I recommend you to go and get it. This app is for free, so I'm going to buy it. Just put the phone down and just yeah. So my height was 102,677. And then, okay. So you could collect coins. Oh, crap, what happened? So you wouldn't know what happened there. I don't know what happened. Oh man. Okay, let's just go through these. I'm sure to collect all the coins in this game. I went to collected 1 million coins last time on my old account, right? This mode one. But then they hacked me, and then they hacked me, and then they changed my password and all them. So that's quite a bit annoying and sad for you. So I love this game because it's got alternative route on every single map. Okay. So a man and a girlfriend chase him because he's doing the shoot on the trains. So he saved himself with the keys. You have to collect those keys allow you to respawn and purchase things. And there's always like power-ups. These power-ups allow you to actually boost your score up. So coins that you buy things. So high score gets you coins as well. So multiplier gets you high score. So bear in mind, okay? Okay, let's just go through. Oh, that's so close. Okay. Collect these. Then jump onto this bus, into that one, and then to that one. Okay, so we got it now. Let's just okay. So let me just go collect that Paris. So that's quite lucky if I didn't get it. I would have been like, no. Okay. Oh, it's on 39,000. So now I've still got that much. So thanks for watching YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe.